Okay, so in 9.3, number 11, depending on what you have for numbers, just follow along. So I took the information I had. They gave me two vertices, one at 7, -5, one at 7, -9. So I graphed those. And because my vertices are up and down, I know my graph would have some sort of hyperbola, right? They're going to go up and down. And so then I can find the center, which would be halfway between -9 and -5. And so I know that it's going to be at 7, -7 for the center. Now, because they're up and down, I'm going to put my y value first. With hyperbola, if the curves go up and down, y is positive, x is negative. So I do y minus the y value of the center, which is -7. So I'm going to have y plus 7 minus x minus the 7, right? That's the center. So x minus 7, quantity squared. And don't forget to make it equal to 1. And then under or the space, I should say, let's go here. How far is it from that vertex to the center, or from the center to the vertex? Well, that's a distance of 2. But because that's a vertical distance, that's an up and down, I'm going to square that number, and I'm going to put it under the y value. Now, I don't have the focus anywhere, and I don't have covertices. So how do we get that second number, the second denominator? Well, remember, they gave us the intercepts. So they gave me the asymptotes. So remember, the slope right now is plus or minus 1. Well, plus or minus, what I would have for my slope right now is under the y is this 4. And so there's a 2. Square root of 4, you put 2 on top because you always put the y value on top of slope. And the only way I'm going to get this to be equal to 1 is if the bottom number is the same. So if the bottom number is the same, a 2, I'm going to square that and put it underneath my x. And now I have my standard form of this hyperbola.